AWS. Before we learn AWS, let's take one step back. How did companies run applications before the cloud existed? Back then, everything ran on physical servers. Now, what exactly is a physical server? A physical server is just a powerful computer that runs 24 by 7, stores your data, processes your data, and serves data for your application. Think of it as a dedicated machine whose only job is to run your app so people on the internet can access it. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you build an application where the front end is React, the back end is Node.js, and the database is PostgreSQL. On your laptop, React runs on localhost 3000, Node.js runs on localhost 5000, PostgreSQL runs locally. But your goal is to make this app public, meaning anyone in the world should be able to access it. To do that, you need infrastructure that is on 24 by 7, connected to the internet with a public IP, running your code continuously. This is where servers come in. Before AWS, everything was manual. To host your app, you had to buy a physical server, install the OS and environment, deploy a React frontend and Node backend, buy a domain name, handle all the security and maintenance yourself, like SSL certificates, server updates, database backups, scaling if traffic increases. Everything you do today with one click in AWS was manual back then. Now, how AWS changed the entire game? AWS owns 1 million of physical server across the world. Instead of buying your own, you simply rent a small part of the server. Example, EC2. EC2, virtual machine or mini computer. RDS, managed database like PostgreSQL. S3 for storage of files. Now, AWS will handle all of these things: hardware, power and cooling, internet connectivity, maintenance, upgrades, and scaling. You only focus on deploying your application. In the next part, we'll go deeper into how AWS works and how each service has replaced something you would normally do on a physical server. If you want me to cover more on physical servers in even more detail, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.